come with me to give the chickens water and food. Okay, give me 1 second to get the door open. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take it over here for them. So there they go. And now I gotta get them some food. Now I gotta get them their food. Watch out, chickens. Watch out! Ow! Get back, get back. Get out! Chicken food! Get out! You little shit. Ow! I'm getting more food. Give me a second. Okay, got more food for them. Put it over here. I gotta get 3 scoops of food. Gotta get 3 scoops. Put the other one over here. And then I'm gonna check to see if I'm gonna close the key back up and then check to see if there's any eggs. Let's see. No eggs. Okay. Maybe there's some down here. Nope. Yeah, no eggs. Okay. So I hope all y'all have a really good day.